Hey guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel, Fun with Maths. Here's another problem. Square root of 81 squared plus 25 squared plus 14 to the power 4 all over 2 equals what? Now here's the solution. So first let's use an equal sign. And then for this, for every base, first is 81. We can write it into a power form, and that is 9 squared. For 25, that is 5 squared. And not including 14. So just copy. So this is now square root of 9 squared whole to the power of 2, then plus 5 squared whole to the power of 2, plus, copy, 14 to the power of 4. Then all over 2. Next is let's apply this rule of a power. That is a to the power of x whole to the power of y. That is also equal to a to the power of xy. So for this is now equals square root of 9 to the power of 2 times 2. Then plus 5 to the power of 2 times 2. Then plus 14 to the power of 4 all over 2. Now let's multiply power to a power. So this is now equals square root of 9 to the power of 2 times 2, that is 4, and plus 5 to the power of 2 times 2, that is 4, then plus 14 to the power of 4 all over, that is 2. Now next is, we can let m be equal to 9 and n be equal to 5. And then m plus n is equal to 9 plus 5, that is 14. And for this, we can use the value of m plus n, which is equal to 14. Same as m, which is equal to 9, and n is equal to 5. Now let's continue. So this is equals square root of 9, that is m. So this is now m to the power of 4 plus 5, that is n. So this is n to the power of 4, then plus 14, that is m plus n. So m plus n whole to the power of 4 over 2. Now focus on m plus n whole to the power of 4. So we have an identity for that, and that is a plus b whole to the power of 4, which is also equal to a to the power of 4 plus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab cubed plus b to the power of 4. Now to follow this, for m plus n whole to the power of 4, this is now equals square root of, just copy first m to the power of 4, then plus n to the power of 4 plus. So this is m to the power of 4 plus 4m cubed n, then plus 6m squared n squared plus 4mn cubed plus n to the power of 4. Then all over 2. Now to continue, let's combine like terms. So this is now equals the square root of m to the power of 4 combined with m to the power of 4, that is, when we add, that is 2m to the power of 4 and then positive n to the power 4 and positive n to the power of 4 we can add, and that is positive 2n to the power of 4. Another positive 4m cubed n. Let's bring down. Plus 4m cubed n. And then bring down also positive 6m squared n squared. And then bring down 4mn cubed. All over 2. Now for this, for the numerator, we can factor that in terms of common, and the common is 2. So this is now equals the square root of 2 times 2m to the power 4 divided by 2, that is m to the power 4. Positive 2n to the power 4 divided by 2, that is positive n to the power 4. Positive 4m cubed n divided by 2, that is positive 2m cubed n. Then positive 6m squared n squared divided by 2, that is positive 3m squared n squared. And then positive 4m n cubed divided by 2, that is positive 2m n cubed. Then all over 2. Next is, we can cancel 2 over 2. So we're left with this. Now to write this is equals the square root of m to the power 4 plus n to the power 4 plus 2m cubed n plus 3m squared n squared plus 2mn cubed. Now to continue, for positive 3m squared n squared, we can split that into 2m squared n squared plus m squared n squared. So to write, this is now equals square root of, bring down m to the power 4 plus n to the power 4 plus 2m squared n squared plus m squared n squared. Then bring down plus 2m cubed n plus 2mn cubed. Next is 4m to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4. We can split the power, and that is m squared whole to the power of 2 plus n squared whole to the power of 2. Then copy plus 2m squared n squared plus m squared n squared plus 2m cubed n plus 2mn cubed. Now for this part, or for this group, m squared whole to the power of 2 plus n squared whole to the power of 2 plus 2m squared n squared. That is the expanded form of an identity. That is a plus b whole to the power of 2, which is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So let's say this is a, this is b, then a and b. So we need to write it like this. So this is now equals the square root of m squared plus n squared whole to the power of 2, then copy, plus m squared n squared plus 2m cubed n plus 2mn cubed. Now for this, let's focus on this group. Positive 2m cubed n plus 2mn cubed. We can factor this in terms of common, and that is 2mn. So this is now equals square root of. Copy. M squared plus N squared whole to the power of 2 plus M squared N squared plus 2mn as the common, then times. So now let's factor 2m cubed n divided by 2mn. That is m squared. And positive 2mn cubed divided by 2mn. That is positive n squared. The next is, for m squared n squared, we can write it as mn whole to the power of 2. And also, 2mn times m squared plus n squared, we can rewrite this. So this is now equals the square root of. Copy. M squared plus n squared whole to the power of 2 plus, this is now mn whole to the power of 2. Then plus, to rewrite, that is 2 times m squared plus n squared times mn. So now, let's apply again the rule of identity. The expanded form is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, which is equal to a plus b whole to the power of 2. So let's say m squared plus n squared, that is a, and mn whole to the power of 2, that is b. This is a and this is b. So now we can write it as equals the square root of m squared plus n squared plus mn whole to the power of 2. Now to continue, we can cancel the square and this radical. So now we're left with equals m squared plus n squared plus mn. Now this is not yet our final answer. Now let's recall that. Earlier we let m be equal to 9, and then n be equal to 5. Now let's substitute the value of m and n. So this is now equals m squared, that is 9 squared, plus n squared, that is 5 squared. Then plus mn, that is 9 times 5. Now let's evaluate, so this is equals 9 squared, that is 81. Then plus 5 squared, that is 25. Then plus 9 times 5, that is 45. Now this is equals 81 plus 25 plus 45, that is equal to 151. And this is our final answer. Again, that is 151. Therefore, the square root of 81 squared plus 25 squared plus 14 to the power of 4 all over 2 is equal to 151. And that's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Maths.